Hello. Are you concerned about overseeding this year with the shortage of water that we're seeing here in the Valley? We've been in a heavy drought for a long time, and we're obviously concerned about our water resources here in the state of Arizona. My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona, and I just heard this great article, a segment on NPR with, they interviewed Cynthia Campbell with a water resources management advisor for the city of Phoenix, and just some interesting points that she made about our resource here of water and just the impact that we have in our state on the water situation. It was very interesting to know that 70% of our water here in Arizona is used towards agriculture and only 20% towards municipalities. It was also interesting to hear that in the 70s, 80% of Phoenix residents had grass in both their front and backyard, and that has been reduced down to 9%. Today, there's only 9% of homes have grass in both their front and backyard, which is a huge impact. Just the education that we've done over the years with residents as they move here, and how it's had an impact on developers and the way that we develop homes. Obviously, if you have a big patch of turf, we don't recommend overseeding. However, if you have a small patch, the amount of water that's used for a smaller section of turf, especially in the winter, we do use less water to water our turf in the winter. Really, it doesn't have as much impact. I mean, it has an impact, but even according to Mrs. Campbell, she said that water we do not use today, any water conservation that we're doing isn't getting saved or put back into Colorado like we would all hope, but actually just going to another municipality or towards agriculture elsewhere. In fact, I was really surprised to hear that if we cut the water off completely to all the major cities that are using the Colorado River, we still wouldn't reach the goals of the Bureau of Reclamation. So we just really have a much larger systematic issue that needs to be addressed. I know that cities are working together to try to address this, but I just kind of wanted to put a perspective on it. Just because, as a landscaper, I feel bad about, overseeding when we know that there's a water issue here in the Valley. And we always would love to get an estimate on people to convert their turf areas to rock, or even give you a referral to someone that can do artificial turf in some cases as well. So once again, my name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us. Our website is azlawns.com. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook page at AMS Landscaping. Check us out on Twitter and Instagram at azlawns. Make it a great day.